చూశాను, సీనియర్ చదువుతాను. డెసిషన్ ఇస్తాను. Announcement to be made by the Honorable Speaker here now. I am to announce to the House that under Rule 8 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, the election of the Deputy Speaker will be held at 12 noon on Monday, the 19th September 2002. The nomination paper for the election of Deputy Speaker shall be delivered to the Secretary at any time between 1:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. on 16th September 2002, either by the proposer or the candidate nominated. The nomination papers are available with the Secretary, Legislature. Okay. I am to announce to the House that in accordance with the regulations made for conducting election to elect one member from among its members, each to the following Divisional Railway Users Committee of South Western Railway, South Central Railway, East Coast Railway and Southern Railways. DRUCC Hubli Division, South Western Railway Hubli, one member. DRUCC Bangalore Division, South Western, one member. South Western Railway Bangalore. DURCC Hyderabad Division, South Central Railway Secunderabad, one member. DURCC Guntakal Division, South Central Railway Guntakal, one member. DRUCC Vijayawada Division, South Central Railway 1. DRUCC East Coast Railway Khordha Road, one member. DRUCC Southern Railway Chennai, one member. ఇది డివిజనల్ రైల్వే యూజర్స్ కమిటీకి సంబంధించినటువంటివి ఈ నామినేషన్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ది ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. One, fix the following program. Last date for filling of nominations 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 16/9/2002. Date of scrutiny of nominations 4 p.m. on 19/9/2002. Last date for withdrawal of nominations 5th p.m. 5 p.m. on 20th/9/2002. Date on which a poll shall, if necessary, be held from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. 21/9/2002. The paper in the agenda is deemed to have been laid. Now the question number 1690 నేను డెసిషన్ ఇస్తానన్నాను కదా, ప్లీజ్. కడప ఉక్కు కర్మాగారం పురోగతి. రాష్ట్రంలో నిత్యావసర వస్తువుల ధరల పెరుగుదల గురించి శ్రీమతి ఆదిరెడ్డి భవానీ మరియు ఇతరులు ఇచ్చిన వాయిదా తీర్మానం. డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటాను ప్లీజ్. నేను డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటానన్నాను. అవునబ్బా, నేను డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటానన్నాను కదా, నువ్వు నాకు స్పూనింగ్ ఇస్తే ఎట్లా?